Hi there, welcome to the RevOps and Enablement YouTube channel. Today I wanted to share with you some of my tips around how you can build your company values. Culture is a critical part of any organization, and having some really clear values that your team can follow and live and breathe each and every day is crucial to the success of the business. So here's 6 steps in terms of how you can build out your company values. The first one is assessing the current company culture. So start by assessing the current company culture by talking to your employees, conducting surveys, and analyzing past experiences within the organization. And this deep dive that you do can feed into the future values that you're looking to develop. Then you want to identify your core values. The best way I see doing this is bringing the team together, involve the team in the process, get them involved in looking at the assessment, suggesting ideas, and be taking them on the journey to create values that reflect your company's purpose, mission, and vision. So when I say involve the team, step 3 of involving the team is getting them to input feedback, suggestions, bringing employees across different departments and different levels of the organization, because all of them are going to have ideas and suggestions and they understand different parts of the business. They can add value to the conversation. 4 is actually define the values. So define what each of the values means. Use clear and concise language and language that everybody in the organization is going to understand and be able to remember. But keep the number of values to 4 or 5 so that people can clearly articulate them back and be able to explain how they can live and breathe them each and every day. Number 5 is communicate the values. So ensure that the whole organization understands the values. Put them into your onboarding for new hires, use posters around the organization, and use your technology such as your intranet to keep alive the values on a day-to-day basis and keep reminding employees of them and how they can live and breathe them. And then 6 is live the values. So from leaders right the way through the business, you want the organization living and breathing the values, keeping them alive, and ensuring that employees are kept accountable at upholding the values of the organization as well. So they're my 6 steps in terms of how you can bring together your company values. Now, today is May the 4th, and Ellivate, we're passionate about Star Wars. So we've actually built our company values around Star Wars. It's put a new spin on the way that the values can be remembered as well by people in the organization. So here's our 4 company values. So the first one is confidence. And we say there's do or do not, there is no try. The way we bring this to life is we believe we're humble, but at the same time, we also back ourselves to achieve results for our clients. The second one is trust. So let go of your conscious self and act on instinct. And this is a way we believe you've got to build both trust in yourself and also trust with your customers. We focus here around not just data, but also our instincts in terms of the way in which we engage with organizations. Data is important, but also there's more that we can bring as a team of consultants when we're engaging with our clients. We want to build trust. Our third one is being vulnerable. To train yourself to let go of everything that you fear to lose. Without vulnerability, you're never going to learn. You need to learn from being vulnerable from the situations that you put yourself in. And we want to highlight that with our customers, that we don't want to inhibit our chance of personal growth when we're with them, because we want to be vulnerable to also learn on the journey as we partner with them. And then the final one for us is passion. This is the way. So we care about what we do. We believe in the way that we do things, and we want to partner with our customers throughout the process that we go on with them and actually lead the way. However scary the goals are that they have, we want to partner with them to achieve those goals and believe that there is a way that we can help them do that. So there are 4 values that we've got and how we've brought them to life, not just by using sort of individual words, but also using some phrases from Star Wars that really keep them alive for us in our organization. I'd love to hear your thoughts in terms of how you go about building out your values and what you think of ours as well. You can see them on our Ellivate website under the About Us section if you'd like to see them in a bit more detail. You can also sign up for our newsletter, and the link is in the bottom of this video. And of course, please do subscribe to the YouTube channel if you want more hints and tips from us on a weekly basis. If you're going about building out your values, may the force be with you.